Nature has a way of teaching us that it will take over, it will do what it needs to, even if we engineer it one way or another. We look at flood mitigation and how to protect the residents and how to utilize our assets the best we can. We're strongly trying to merge and consolidate First Nations values into what we do. An engineered approach that mimics more the natural effects and what's there, instead of just forcing our will onto nature. We've actually, in the last 2 years, have installed real-time monitoring stations along Mill Creek. The station is pretty simplistic. It's really just a pressure sensor that tells it how high the water really is. We have another one over by the Mill Creek Regional Park, and we have one midway over by Scandia. This is a great tool that we have now at our disposal. Here, this is the Mill to Mission Creek flood flow diversion. We're really only able to convey about just over 4 cubic meters per second peak flood flow through downtown. So the diversion is designed to try and mitigate and keep those flows at that. So we need to be able to send that flow over here, otherwise downtown is gonna flood. We know that we need to be flexible and build contingency upon contingency. We completed a full model, dynamic model. So we have now a predicting tool. Now we can use them to run all kinds of models, different climate change scenarios, whatever it is that we think as an what if, we can now run it. We have quite a few plans. One of the key points we're trying to get would be a second flood diversion that would be downstream of the existing one that diverts flood to Mission. Then we're looking, and we have a conceptual design for a second diversion that will send and utilize the rail trail corridor to then divert flows onto Brents Creek. And on top of that, we're also looking at a secondary and tertiary diversion that would create an artificial fan to get flood around downtown and onto the lake. We want to enhance the system, and along Mill Creek, we want to rehabilitate the stream to the point that hopefully we can bring habitat and fish back upstream. We can actually better the environment, better what's there, and also create mitigating measures that allow us to stay safe and keep our population safe.